Alright guys, what's up? Another video. Justin, Charlotte, new car. So, as you can tell again, it still is misfiring, and that's why we're here today. Figure out why it's misfiring. So maybe pull that, he said. Let's see what it's doing.
It's open.
Is it? The hood opened up? No. I think there's a cable here you gotta pull. I think it's this. Is it this cable you have to pull? It should open the hoodie. Sick, right? Huh? Should've got from that. That's why you need a new hood. Yeah, it's completely broken. Yeah, you know that. So you said what again? You said what?
Well, yeah, turn it up.
We'll take the cover off, definitely.
No, I mean the cap off.
Don't take the cover off. We'll take the cap off, so we'll turn it off, obviously.
Yeah.
But so you said again, we just pull the spark plug, and then if it dies, that one's good. If it doesn't die, that one's bad.
No.
Okay, well let me get to that point and I'll explain it. But I'll be back, guys. Huh?
Is there oil in it?
I hope so. So what's on your car, sir?
To do on mine?
Yeah.
I just gotta do the fucking injectors.
Oh, fun. We see right there. It's the exact same coils and everything.
Yeah.
Alright.
So you gotta start it and then you have to just unplug it. This one's easier.
Get a flathead? Or you can pull up your hand, never mind. Yeah. Why is it so cold today?
I think this stuff needs to be wet too, to be honest.
Yeah, I think so too.
It's like stiff right at the bottom and then like the top is nothing.
You can bleed it. Oof, I'm replacing so much fluids on this thing, bro.
Please don't drop it.
No, I'm not. Oh yeah, it's like, oh.
See? You hear the difference? Nothing happens.
Yeah. So that one's probably the bad one then, eh? You pull it out, yeah, it dies like a bit, like, yeah.
So this one's
Yeah,
bad.
okay.
That one too.
Yep. Yep.
That's the one.
Huh?
That's the one. That one.
And the beautiful thing about it is we have those exact coils in back, go back to the side.
So just that one.
So we're replacing just that one,
And then
yeah.
if the Misfire is still there, then go with the circle.
Okay, sick.
There's no distributor like the Civics and shit.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
On my Civic, that's what I did. I went backwards from the battery, because I knew the battery was fine. From the battery, I went to the distributor, and then the plug.
It's so
and
good.
then it was going to be the spark plug. I stole the plug wire.
We should buy a Civic, man.
Yo, I've been saying that, and I don't know why nobody but me wants to put a J in it.
J?
V6. Out of the Odyssey.
That's what Brady wants to do when they had the Odyssey.
That's what I know. I'm like, yo, can we just put that big shit in there, bro?
Bro, has it been done before? Bro, okay, so next project, when we get a garage, okay, yo, when we get a garage, we buy a Civic. When we get a garage, we buy a Civic. You guys heard it here first. Remind us, in case you forget. We changed the coil pack, and now, literally see if that helps. Hopefully that helps. Get this out of here. Huh? What? Yeah, so as you guys can tell, whew, little car. So yeah, you know what, we're actually gonna do a fluid check right now just to make sure everything's good. We'll be back. Oh man, it's 210s and we're good. Alright guys, so Justin's gonna go ahead and erase the engine code and hopefully we're back in business. Never out of business. Say that. I know what traction control is.
Like, no. We can take care of our stuff. Leave the plastic until it falls off.
Leave the plastic until it falls off.
This needs refreshing.
Yeah, it needs some love. Interior needs a lot of love, but
Who?
interior. So I said who?
I mean, I wouldn't do the shit. I just clean on this because I'm used to mine already. Cleaning on the plastic. My elbows usually the
Well, if you don't have the thing, yeah.
the change thing usually.
Yeah.
3 codes.
3 codes.
Oops.
Camshaft positioning sensor A, circuit 1 or single sensor. O2 sensor heater circuit. Let's see, okay. Camshaft vision sensor A, single action 1 sensor.
Same code twice.
Yeah. Well, let's erase it and see what happens, and we'll see if it comes back, and we'll go from there. Honestly, thank God for Amazon and Amazon Prime. Like this, bro, best 15 bucks ever spent.
Yes, I'm sure.
This guy just waited. This guy just waited. See if the radio works. I don't think it does though. Failure. Do it again. Oh, it works. It didn't work before. What the hell? Jesus Christ.
It was boosted.
Yeah,
no,
yeah, I know I heard it. You hear in the video, but Jesus Christ, that guy was.
Information is there.
It failed. So just turn it off, and then just try to do it again. That's usually happens sometimes. All right, guys. So because it's such a great day, we're bringing a ton of content. The car started. We fixed the Misfire, and we're fixing the exhaust. You can hear how beautiful she sounds.
Well, I'm pretty sure, yeah, right there.
Wait, where? Wait, where? That's where it is? That's what tens?
Big fucking mumble jumble.
Yo, this is crazy. Not for like.
Is that just 2 tens?
Yeah.
Oh, well,
Right there, yeah. Yeah. I'll get you 10 more.
oh, so it shows you that at the back.
Huh?
Actually, no, fuck it.
She's doing from the back, you said?
No, I was just jumping on the side. Because I thought I was
You're
there.
lower on the jackson from different side.
Yeah. This fuck. This fuck. Honestly, you might as well just get a new fucking exhaust for this thing.
I'm going to anyways, might as well.
Did you guys really leave on the snow mode?
Did they leave it?
They did. They really did.
So that is leaking. And that is completely, as Justin said, it's effed, but I'm gonna
see light through it.
But I'm gonna say it's screwed because we can't. Like, look at the bolts. Can you get that off, guys? Can you tighten that? Because we can't. So we're gonna start it regardless with the new. Well, will there be a difference? No.
What?
Well, maybe it'll drive better.
It should drive better.
Well, I'm gonna go for a drive now because there's no misfire. So let me get up to. Oh, we need to put coolant in. That's what I need to do. So we're gonna finish Justin's car and put coolant in my car. Because coolant's in my car. There's no battery in my car. And we'll come back and we'll get this thing started and so she drives.